Greetings, welcome to the channel. I'm Ready Set Go, and after attending the Triumph press briefing earlier this week, I thought to give you all the news about the exciting newly refurbished Triumph factory tour, which officially opens its doors on August the 11th of 2021. For those of you in the UK, or perhaps even visiting the UK once the restrictions lift, and you're looking for an awesome motorcycle themed day out for all the family, then stick around and I'll tell you why the new Triumph factory tour should go on your travel list. Based at Triumph HQ in Hinckley, Leicestershire, UK, the Triumph Factory Tour is much more than a mere stroll around the factory floor. From the moment you arrive, the huge venue with the Triumph logo on top starts to loom over you. You park your bike up, you park your car, and you make your way down the Triumph Walk of Fame towards the big double doors at the front. You walk into the foyer where you're greeted by several Triumph motorcycles. Walk in and turning right, you have the 1902 Cafe, which is this awesomely themed motorcycle cafe with bike engines hanging up against the wall. There's a giant screen for viewing motorcycle related content, including weekend showings of the MotoGP racing. There's great coffee, cake, bacon sandwiches. It's just a great place to hang out with other like-minded bike enthusiasts. Opposite the cafe and across the entranceway, you have the fantastic exhibition hall, which is split over 2 levels and gives you a guided walkthrough as to the history of Triumph. You'll see bikes that have been taken apart and strewn and displayed across the wall, all the parts that are needed to make a Triumph that you'll see on the road. You will also be able to see what goes into making the Triumph Rocket, a 4-year project that started with the initial concept and clay designs, which you'll see in person, through the development phases where Test Rider feeds back all that information to the engineers, to the finished article with lots of cool cutaways showing the insides of the engine and the gearbox. Elsewhere you'll find custom paint projects, the entire past and present Triumph lineup, and downstairs the Landspeed exhibition showcasing the 1000 brake horsepower Triumph In4 Landspeed Rocket Streamliner, which was built to challenge the motorcycle land speed record piloted by Guy Martin back in 2016. After exploring the free exhibits and sampling the cafe, it's time to enter the factory tour. A £20 ticket gets you a 1.5 hour guided tour and takes you through rows upon rows of new motorcycles stacked factory ceiling high, ready to be delivered worldwide. You will walk through a live working assembly line where you'll see motorcycles rolling through the various stages of build, where the teams aim to produce several thousand motorcycles a year across the Triumph range. New for 2021 is the Centre of Excellence, which is home to Triumph's prototype development and 3D printing. If you saw the prototype Trident last year in 2020, the white mock-up bike, that was produced using the new 3D printing technology, which you'll see on the factory tour. You'll also see the world-renowned Triumph paint shop, which paints up to 2,500 Triumph parts each week. Also on site are super clean marble-tiled bathroom facilities. There's lots of hand sanitizer, COVID guidelines, and upstairs there's a fantastic gift shop. Having paid to go on the tour myself back in 2019, I can say it is well worth the money. A visit to the Triumph venue is a must for any motorcycle fan. It's not just a factory tour, it's a family-friendly place where you can go and hang out with other bikers. The team are super friendly and eager to talk bikes. It's also very central UK, so it's easy to access whichever direction you're headed. So if you're looking for a behind-the-scenes glimpse of the Triumph factory, tickets will be available from the 11th of August 2021. It's worth noting you will have to pre-book your tickets online. There is a link in the description below where you can go and find out all the information and pre-book your tickets. So there you have a quick update about the Triumph factory tour. If you have enjoyed the video, please give a thumbs up to support the channel. If you are new around here, then please make sure to subscribe to see weekly motorcycle news, reviews and content. I've been Ready Set Go. Hope you ride safe and stay safe. I'll see you next time.